Hi guys, this is a Maze 3D demo, which is a game demo that I wanted to talk about very quickly. So this is a game demo that I used to work on. It's not finished. The idea is that you have a 3D maze where the walls are self-rearranging. So basically at a certain interval they change their positions, and so the layout of the maze changes. You have flashlight, which runs on a battery. The battery depletes, and you can turn off the flashlight in order to save the battery. There are some enemies that are not going to do much, and what you need to do is find 5 coins / keys per level. Once you've found all of them, in the middle, in the center of the maze, there will be a tree that you can touch to go to the next level, and then the next level is going to contain a larger maze and more keys, and so it continues. It is written in Java. It uses the JMonkey 3D engine, which is quite nice. The source is open. I'll leave the GitHub link in the description, and see if you're interested in developing it further and adding new functionality and such, and feel free to do so. So yeah, here's the key / coin. Right, thanks for watching.